Good morning, everyone. Today is February the 16th, which means it is my birthday. So I'm about to go have lunch with my friend Kristen. This is my birthday outfit. It's a little, my pants keep falling down. So this, and then I own boots because I didn't know what other shoes to wear. So. And I want to put on heels because it's about to rain. Come here, Tillie, so I can zip you up and you can say hi, guys. Come on, hurry up. All that dancing you doing. Say hi. Stop doing that nasty stuff. Say hi, Taylor.
Hi, guys.
What are they doing?
They're doing. If you feel guys, and I'm a video.
Alright, now I have to find a coat to put on. Alright, it is now evening. I came home and took a nap on my birthday, y'all. Took a nap. We are about to go out to dinner because what? It's my birthday. It's my birthday. No, because it's my birthday. 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 I'm going to put on some lip gloss.
Happy birthday.
To me.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Babe, tell me.
Nah, happy birthday to my babe though, man.
You're tall, so you tall, babe. Why you so tall? Put your head down.
No, I'm not.
Bend your knees.
No, I'm not.
It's my birthday.
Come on, man.
Hello, guys. So we're back home now from my birthday dinner, which was absolutely amazing. Let me talk. It's my birthday. I had shrimp and I had crab legs. Y'all know that's my favorite, especially for birthdays. If you don't know, now you know. I did not vlog there, but the Daily Davidsons did, so you guys can see like what we ate and everything on their channel. I want to show you guys what I got for my birthday really quickly. So when I got home, go put this in the trash.
Where did it go?
Now.
Where did it go home?
Taylor, let me talk. When I got home, I had an edible arrangement waiting on the porch for me from one of my sisters in wealth. So I really, really, really appreciate it. She sent me a sweet note. Her name is Victoria. She also has a YouTube. It says, Tierra, I want to take some time out to show you some appreciation on your birthday. You are the most hardworking woman I know, and I'm so grateful that you introduced me to this business. You have pushed me and believed in me when I didn't believe in myself at times. Thank you for being you. So that's from my business partner. So thank you so much for being you and for allowing me to push you. Yeah, I really appreciate you. And I'm gonna link her YouTube channel below for you guys. And then I got this cute cup from Ashley. It says, hello, gorgeous. I can always use extra cups. Stop, Taylor. No. And then she gave me some cute nail polish, OPI, purple, nude, she knows me, pink, and what color is that, Tootie? Show them. Come on. White. And what else did I get? I got a card from Tiffany with a gift card in it. The card was so sweet and perfect for our friendship, so I really appreciate that. Don't open up my card. Don't you do that. And Ashley got me a TJ Maxx. Can I use this at Marshall's too? A TJ Maxx gift card. So, and this is the restaurant we went to.
It could cost just
Latitude.
White.
Purple. Nude. And that's it. So yeah. So we're back home. My roses are opening up and they look beautiful, don't they? They look gorgeous. Like CJ outdid himself. Like this was the best birthday ever. Me and CJ is gonna do a video together tomorrow, and then we're gonna do some. We're gonna go out tomorrow as well. So yeah.
My baby?
No, that is a my bae. Come here, bae. Come here, bae. Hurry up. My battery about to die. Come here. Bend down.
Hey, baby. Hey. Hi, guys.
Bae, say hey, look.
What's up, y'all?
You ain't seen him in a long time. Bae, it's your bae birthday.
Which one?
You better get out my face.
Happy birthday, babe.
Happy
birthday.
So what happened?
Happy birthday.
Huh, put his back actually. Alright, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later. My battery is about to die. I'm putting it on the charger so I can vlog for you guys tomorrow. I have like 1, 2, 3 videos to get up for you guys. So hopefully I'll be able to do it this weekend. And I'll talk to you guys later. Hello guys, so I am back. Today is the day after my birthday, so Saturday. Me and CJ went out earlier today with Taylor. We just like went like shopping kinda, and went to go get dinner, dinner together. I'm out of breath. I just climbed like 3 flights of stairs. But now I am at my business partner's house and we're about to sit here and work together. So I got my laptop out. I got my planner out, my charts. We got snacks over there, right here. We got snacks, more snacks over there, right there. But yeah, so we're about to just work. And we don't know how long we're gonna be working. We just gonna work. All night. All night. Look at Bo. This is Bo, y'all.
Hi. Alright. Computer.
Hello guys. Today is Sunday.
Sunday.
We are going to the mall. Have to return some shirts.
Hi, guys.
She about to return some stuff. I'm about to buy some
Hi, guys.
stuff.
Thank you.
Why?
And this is, so, we're gonna watch it and let's say, hot, guys. It's hot.
Yeah, I'm hot too. It's hot out here. It's like, how much, man? What's the weather? Like
They said
70?
57, but I feel like it's 70.
I feel like it's like 70 degrees. But we're about to go to the mall, then go to the gym, do a little quick workout, and then head back home. I have a training at 6:30 tonight. I need to text my newbies to let them know. So that's what I'll be working on.
Mama, guys.
Yeah, they're right here.
I'll hold it.
She wants to hold my guys, so she wants to hold y'all. You're not holding it.
Okay.
Mommy got it. Go ahead.
Hi, guys. Yeah, I'm hot. Yeah, we're hot. We're hot.
And what are we doing today?
We're doing good. We got mom. We got shoe. And water. And so, guys, if I got shoe, we got more. And all that, it's just right in my dad. It's so product, guys. It's so product. It's right. It's right. Got eat more too. He want to leave, and he want to got leave.
Okay.
He get leave, and he get leave, and a hawk. Guys, you get a hawk.
All right, let me talk to the guys. So last night we just worked. I worked on my charts. It kind of reminded me of like being in college when you're studying with people who actually care about studying. So like y'all in a room and like you're literally putting in work. That's the same. It's like that's the feeling that I get when I'm working with like-minded business partners. So it's really fun to do. We're not just studying though, we're working.